exploring the phrases laid out. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the phrase laid out. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, how to use it in various contexts, and some examples to make it stick. Laid out is the past tense form of layout. In its most basic sense, it refers to the arrangement or placement of things. Imagine spreading out clothes on a bed or items on a table. That's laying them out. Example: she laid out her outfits for the entire week. In a more figurative sense, laid out can refer to the arrangement or presentation of ideas, plans, or details. Example 1. The architect laid out the plans for the new building. Example 2. The manager laid out the strategy for the upcoming marketing campaign. Another way we use laid out is to talk about someone being overwhelmed or physically knocked down. Example 1. After running the marathon, he was completely laid out on the couch. Example 2. The boxer was laid out with one powerful punch. When using laid out, it's essential to be aware of the context, as the meaning can shift based on the situation. Remember, if it's about arranging items, think of spreading things out. If it's about presenting ideas, think of detailing plans. If it's about being overwhelmed or knocked down, it indicates exhaustion or being physically overpowered. And there you have it, the versatile phrase, laid out. We hope this video has been enlightening. Always remember the context, and you'll use this phrase like a pro. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.